Meanwhile, Malacanang downplayed the foiled NAIA bombing attempt. According to Communications Secretary Sani Coloma, it is not a serious cause for concern. This report.
Malacanang assured the public that there is no major security threat because the bombing attempt at NAIA 3 was already foiled by the authorities.
Sabihin sa kasalukuyan ay wala namang malubhang ligalig na dapat umiral dahil sa insidenteng yan. Sa pagkawari ng ating Pangulo at ng pamahalaan ay nasabat naman, nasabat ang anumang panganib na maaring dulot ng pangkat na ito, kaya nga't masusing pinag-aaralan ang implikasyon ng naganap kahapon.
Despite no imminent security threat, the President has directed the Department of Justice and the NBI to conduct a deeper probe on the bombing attempt at the NAIA 3.
Kaya nga't pinag-aaralan pa kung meron pa silang mga ibang links o iba pang mga implikasyon na maaring maging konklusyon natin dahil dito sa na-discovering pagtatangka kahapon. Pero pansinin natin, meron kasi mga ulat na car bomb, hindi naman gano'n, yung natuklasan ng DOJ. It's of a far lesser import or gravity. Kaya importante lang ma-sort out yung facts para maging tama yung assessment sa level of threat.
Coloma also denied that the palace allegedly staged the incident to justify a possible declaration of martial law or a destabilization plot against the leadership.
Well, let us just say that the government would like to be in a constant state of vigilance, alertness, and readiness, because government is ultimately responsible for the safety and well-being of its citizens, and that's why even if there have been no serious consequences as a result of what has been uncovered, we want to forestall or to impede any future attempt to that might threaten the stability and peace and order of our land and communities.
NBI agents arrested 3 men caught with improvised explosive devices inside a white car at Parking B of NAIA 3 last Monday. According to reports, the suspects wanted to call the attention of the government on its stance on the country's territorial dispute with China.
It was acknowledged by the members of our intelligence community na itong pangkat na to ay nandoon na sa loob ng kanilang radar, sinusubaybayan na noong nakaraan pa. Kaya nga't may mga informante na nagbigay ng timely information regarding what was discovered yesterday morning.
For the People's Television, Rocky Ignacio.